What if your next YouTube thumbnail didn't need Photoshop, a designer, or hours of guessing? Because let's be honest, you can make the best video in the world, but if the thumbnail doesn't get clicked, nobody sees it. That's where Thumbs.ai comes in, an AI-powered YouTube thumbnail maker built to help creators generate high-click thumbnails from simple text, images, or even a YouTube video link. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Thumbs.ai to generate eye-catching AI thumbnails using just text prompts, your own face, emotions, reference styles, and even existing images. So let's get started. First of all, you need to visit the website Thumbs.ai. On this website, you can generate high-CTR YouTube thumbnails using AI. Once you open the website, the first thing you need to do is log into your account. After logging in, you will see multiple features on the platform, but in this video, we are going to use the Create Thumbs feature. Inside this tool, you will find two main options: text to thumbnail, image to thumbnail. Let's start with the first option, which is text to thumbnail. In this section, you need to enter a prompt. This means you simply describe the type of thumbnail you want to create. For example, you can write your thumbnail idea in the prompt box and explain the style, background, lighting, expression, or text placement you want. Below that, you will see the Add Your Face option. Using this feature, you can add your own face to the thumbnail. Now I am going to click on Create Face and Emotions. After clicking it, a pop-up will appear. Here, first you need to enter the name of the face. Then click on the Upload button and select the face image you want to use. Below that, you will see several emotion options such as shocked, hype, angry, scream, sad. You can choose any emotion you want, and that emotion will be applied to the face you uploaded. After selecting everything, click on Save and use this face. Now you can see that the face has been saved successfully and is ready to use in the thumbnail. Next, below this section, you will find the Choose Reference/Clone Style option. Here, you will see multiple styles available. You can select any style you like depending on the type of thumbnail you want to create. After that, you will see the Aspect Ratio section. Here, you can choose between YouTube 16:9, Short 9:16. So if you are creating a normal YouTube thumbnail, select 16:9. And if you are creating content for Shorts, select 9:16. Below that, you will also see the Variations option. Here, you can choose how many thumbnail variations you want to generate, such as 1, 2, 3, or 4. Once everything is set, simply click on Generate Thumbnail. Now the thumbnail generation process will begin. It may take a little time, so just wait until it is fully completed. And finally, you can see that your AI thumbnail has been generated. Now let's move to the second feature, which is Image to Thumbnail. This feature is useful when you already have an image or a YouTube video link and want to create a thumbnail based on it. Here you can either upload an image or paste a YouTube video link. If you use a YouTube video link, the tool can extract the thumbnail from that video. In simple words, this feature helps you create a thumbnail based on an existing image or thumbnail style. Right now, I am going to upload my own image that I want to use as the base. After uploading the image, below that, I can also add a thumbnail prompt describing how I want the final thumbnail to look. For example, I can describe the style, colors, lighting, mood, or overall look I want. You can also add your face here if you want, but for now, I am not going to use that option. Then, just like before, select the aspect ratio and variation according to your requirement. After that, click on the Generate Thumbnail button. Now the tool will start generating the thumbnail. Again, it may take a few moments, so wait until the process is complete. And finally, the thumbnail has been generated. As you can see, it looks really amazing. So yes, this is how you can create AI thumbnails using Thumbs.ai. The process is very simple. You can use text to thumbnail if you want to generate a thumbnail from an idea, or use image to thumbnail if you already have an image or video link and want to create something based on that. If you also want to generate thumbnails like this, simply visit Thumbs.ai and start creating.